This is Kelly Hill with RCR Wireless News. I'm here with Ephraim Ulmer, CEO of Galtronics. And Ephraim, can you tell us a little bit about Galtronics?
Sure. Galtronics is a company specializing in antennas. We have been doing this since 1978, starting with the LMR push-to-talk radios for Motorola. And today we're really diversified. We're in small antennas like the mobile phones, smartphones. The most advanced smartphones in the world have our antennas included, embedded our technologies. We also do Wi-Fi routers for home consumer routers. And of course what we see here, our DAS antenna portfolio, that there we have actually taken our technologies from the small antenna space of the handheld devices and have taken this vast know-how and applied it into this fast evolving space of in-building wireless, where we have really identified an opportunity for the company to apply its know-how in LTE and MIMO technology. So we're happy to be here.
Great. Now you've been over in China, I think, for the past 7 years or so. Can you tell me about some of the lessons learned from China?
Yes, I have been personally in China from 2005 until 2012. So I returned back to Israel, to our headquarters, February last year. And China is an amazing country. It's very, very interesting there. We have been, I have had the privilege to establish a company from ground up that today we have about 800 people working there. And we're making tens of millions antennas every month in that plant there. So I have been responsible for our entire Asia operation, our entire Asia activity, so to speak, including Korea, Taiwan, and China. And the lessons learned to your question are that there's really great talent in China, and we need to know how to apply it. As Westerners, sometimes it's hard for us how to approach the Chinese culture, but once you get it, it's fantastic. I have great relationships. We have managers working with us for many, many years, and it's amazing.
Great. Can you tell us a little bit about your perspective on future trends that we might be seeing in the small cell and DAS space?
What we will be seeing is that there is more and more attention to distributed antenna systems with high emphasis on PIM, that there will be no interference in the system. And what we're also seeing is that there is a certain split or diversification into small cells, smaller devices, that antennas get smaller, and in some areas they get just hidden. In some areas they will get smaller and integrated into devices. Galtronics is playing in both areas. In the antennas you can see here, and in the hidden antennas, that would be like if you're holding today a smartphone of any brand, you wouldn't see the antennas. So that's going to happen, that antennas will be integrated into devices more and more.
All right, Ephraim, thank you so much for joining us today. This is RCR Wireless News.
Thank you.